Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. I probably should have shaved today. And it's train time. Well, I'm about a mile south of the town of Ashland, Virginia. And if you look right here and right there, I'm at milepost 13. And I just bought today a Bearcat 125 AT from Uniden scanner. I see a lot of rail fans using this, so this will be nice to have and listen to what's going on. And I'm about to show you something really interesting that some crazy people are doing, all for a picture. Anything for a family photo. I hope these people know there's a train coming in about 10 minutes.
Authorized speed, main equipment in the clear. Over. That's a good copy. Have a good afternoon and a safe trip, over. Hey, that's a good copy. Thank you, Mr. Smith. You have a safe day also. I'm track 80 out.
Well, it was a good day of rail fanning here in Ashland, Virginia. Nice 51 degrees here in late November, and about another week till Thanksgiving. And we caught a couple Amtrak trains, a CSX mixed trains. I think those were trash containers, those orange and green. If you guys could leave a comment below just to verify what those were. It was a nice, good mixed train along with the Tropicana cars. Reminded me of living back in Florida. But earlier when you saw those three girls getting their pictures taken, their dad was with them. He worked for CSX Trains, so he was monitoring the tracks and making sure everything was okay, because you see some crazy videos out there of people getting hit by trains, taking chances in cars and trucks, and so that's his responsibility, and we'll let that go at that. But it was nice to have this scanner. I didn't have it programmed right with a lot of channels. I just had it on search. I caught a few trains here and there, but next time we'll probably pick up some more. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.